Welcome to the Weather Bulletin for the United Kingdom, based on the latest releases from the ECMWF numerical forecast at 9 kilometers. But before diving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to stay updated with the latest information. The weather conditions during the evening and night of this Friday will be characterized by continued light rain in scattered parts of the United Kingdom, specifically in the northwest of England and Northern Ireland. Light rain is also expected in Wales, the far north and far south of Scotland, and the Northern Isles, with some snowfall in the northwest of Scotland and scattered areas in southern Scotland and northern England. Weather conditions will remain stable in the rest of the regions, with partly cloudy to clear skies. However, temperatures will significantly drop during this night in Scotland, especially in the central inland areas, where temperatures may fall below freezing, reaching 4, 5 or 6 degrees below zero in some areas. Tomorrow, Saturday, December 30th, expect a new Atlantic low-pressure system to impact the United Kingdom, resulting in rainfall across various regions and cities with varying amounts. The areas experiencing the heaviest rainfall, sometimes intense, are those highlighted in green and yellow on the map, especially Wales, southern England, and certain regions in eastern and northern Scotland, where rainfall measures may reach 10, 15, 20, or even 30 millimeters in some areas. Snowfall is also anticipated in Northern Ireland, northern England, and most parts of Scotland. This snowfall is solely due to the continued effects of polar air masses on the kingdom. If it was solely dependent on the Atlantic low-pressure system, snowfall would be nearly impossible, as it brings with it semi-warm air. The eastern side of the Atlantic low-pressure system will result in strong winds, ranging from 50 to 80 kilometers per hour across most regions of the kingdom. Temperatures will remain low in Scotland, while Northern Ireland, Wales, and England will experience a rise due to the semi-warm air currents accompanying the Atlantic low-pressure system. The sky will remain cloudy throughout Sunday, December 31st, in most areas of the United Kingdom, with some continued rainfall, especially in the morning in most parts of England, Wales, and also the far north of Scotland. Very light rain may extend to the Northern Isles, eastern Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Strong wind gusts exceeding 60 kilometers per hour are expected in Wales, southern England, and the Northern Isles. Cold weather is anticipated in most areas of Scotland. The passage of a frontal system south of the United Kingdom on Monday, January 1st, will lead to moderate to light rainfall in southern England and Wales. The weather will also be mostly cloudy throughout the day in the remaining regions of the kingdom, with very light drizzles possible in northern England, southern Scotland, and most islands. There is a possibility of some weak snowfall in scattered areas in the west and south of Scotland, as well as parts of northern England and Wales. The weather will consistently remain cloudy in most areas on the following Tuesday, with very light rain expected in southern England, southern Wales, and the Northern Isles. Some weak snowfall is also anticipated in specific areas of South Wales: Kington, Knighton, Builth Wells, and Landrindod Wells. On Wednesday, January 3rd, light rain is expected in Wales and England, with weak snowfall in parts of North Wales and northern England. The weather will remain consistently cloudy in the remaining regions, accompanied by a significant drop in temperatures across most areas of the kingdom. And now, here is the snow accumulation forecast for the next 5 days. Between 5 and 20 centimeters in the following areas: Ballater, Pitlochry, Killin, Crieff, Braemar, Tarfside, Clover, Kirkton of Glenisla, Aberfeldy, Dalwhinnie, Bridge of Balgie, Kingussie, Tindrum, Tarbert, Callander, Kinbrace, Lyag, Rosehall, Betty Hill, Ullapool, Kinlochbervie, Lochinver, Achnasheen, Fort William, Fort Augustus, Aberfoyle, Inverarray, Loch Gilfhead, Greenock, Carsfern, and Keswick. Less than 10 centimeters in the following areas: Burnley, Preston, Lancaster, Settle, Hawes, Kendal, Chipping, Skipton, Sedberg, Kirkby Stephen, Lofthouse, Leban, Richmond, Barnard Castle, Stanhope, Alston, Consett, Holtwhistle, Hexham, Bellingham, Horsley, Kielder, Ambleside, Penrith, Carlisle, Workington, Langholm, Galashiels, Moffat, Dumfries, Howick, Dunbar, Edinburgh, Armadale, Glasgow, Lanark, Cumnock, Newton Stewart, Girvan, Ayr, Stirling, Perth, Dundee, Forfar, Stonehaven, Aberdeen, Old Meldrum, Turriff, Fraserburgh, Peterhead, Buckie, Dufftown, Elgin, Inverness, Alness, Aviemore, Wick, Thurso, Gairloch, Stromferry, Malaig, Tobermory, Portree, Stornoway, Ballyvanich, Kirkwall, Omagh, Enniskillen, Cookstown, Ballymena, Coleraine, Cushendun, Ballycastle, Ballyclare, Larne, Clogmills, Carnlow, Dungiven, Maghera, Limavady, Augur, Porthmadog, Barmouth, Aberystwyth, Lampeter, Landrindod Wells, Bilth Wells, Landovery, Pontryde Fendigade, Machinleth and Dolgellau.